In this video, we will see how to use hyperlink in different three way. First way I will show you, just select the cell, select the word you want to put the hyperlink, you want to attach the hyperlink of this word. Just select it and click on the insert tab. You get here option links. You can click here links. You get the dialog box of insert hyperlink. This is the first option. Second option, you select this cell, select this word, right click of mouse, you get here option link. Click on that, you get the dialog box of insert hyperlink. And third option is a shortcut key, Control plus K, you get the insert hyperlink option. That's it. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and like it. Thank you.